You have a country to run. You have a government to run. I mean, tell us about all these goons walking around with police officers. Places there are places in this country. Even last night, people are calling me, suffering from cat rustling. You know, people have lost animals and livestock and so on. It's, I mean, in that particular environment, you are spending all your time insulting the retired president. And those elected leaders, I want to ask them, sisi tunawaheshimu, you know, we are not going to walk down that hole or behaving like Precambrian people, you know, insulting others for no apparent reason. Tutawaheshimu, hatuwezi kuwatusi. Lakini tafadhali, you know, let's build a modern country. Kenya is a serious country. When you see the kind of arguments we're having, it's a joke. What is going to happen when we have 2 or 3 or 4 retired presidents? How many are there in Nigeria? Retired presidents who are going about their businesses. In the US, in the UK, there are 6 prime ministers who have left office, who go to BBC, they go wherever, there are programs. President Clinton has been retired for I don't know how many years. He attends the Democratic Party convention every year. President Obama, the same thing. They campaign for their candidates. And the world has not come to an end.